good, YouTube? G37 mode. We're back with another POV. I had recorded one. Well, I was going to post one, but the recording didn't go as well, and I don't know, it just looked very choppy and like, I don't know, it looked weird, so, you know, I didn't post it. I just deleted the video. But right now I'm about to drive to the gym, so I was like, fuck it, why not? Let's just post. I got water and shit for the gym, so yeah, I'm about to get ready. But yeah, also I have this like rattling noise that y'all probably gonna be hearing, cause my let's turn the AC off. My what's the name, my exhaust, like the clamp that holds the towards the back part of the exhaust, like the tips and the thing, it has like the clamp is broken, like the weld, it like came off, it like rusted off, so it's like rattling, and I was gonna go get it fixed, but I was just been too lazy, to be honest. If I'm being honest, I just been too lazy. So yeah, let these people go. Oh, you're taking too long. I'm kind of taking your spot. I'm at Wall right now. You better stop. You better stop, sorry. Shit. I'm driving so slow for. People are probably looking at me like, what the fuck does this kid have on his head? Is that a 3 Series? Yes, it is. For me to go. Ah, shit, man. It's been so fucking hot too, bro. The last time I did a POV drive, I think it was like the nighttime one, and that was like what, 2 months ago, I think, a month ago. Damn, bro. So I actually have some news for y'all. One, I might be getting tuned sooner than I actually thought. I got the 3-inch intakes, but I didn't put them on yet because obviously, you know, the airflow, and it's not gonna match the same as the original OEMs, and the car is gonna start running all weird. So I didn't put those on yet, but I wanted to make like a video of installing the intakes, but I'm gonna just let my tuner do it. Is that 12? Oh, my window's up. I'd be scared when I see 12. I ain't gonna hold y'all, bro. Are they undercover? It was in the Kia. What the fuck? Anyways, but back to what I was saying. I wanted to make a video out the intakes, bro. What the fuck is going on with here, bro? Like, what are we doing? That's why I be questioning, like, do y'all even like the POV drives when, like, I'm just stuck in just regular traffic, day-to-day driving? Like, y'all like that cutting up shit? Like the high RPMs, like the high speeds? Like, I'm in the city right now, man. I can't be doing all of that. But, back to what I was saying about the tuning thing. So, for the video about the intakes video that I was gonna make, I'm gonna just tell the tuner to put it on himself and then just tune it there because I did wanted to make a video out of it, but I do not want to fuck up my car and drive it to the tuner even the same day that I'm doing it. I don't want to drive it to the tuner and then my shit starts running all weird. Nah, I'm not doing that, bro. So I'm just saving all that cost repair engine shit. So yeah, all of that shit. Go. Oh yeah, I'm about to rip it. Straight line, sort of. But yeah. Anyways, if y'all not sub right now and y'all watching this far, can y'all please show me a sub and a like for the people that are not subbed, of course, you know. But yeah. Always green. Here, guys. What's the traffic? I need my brakes done, by the way. I don't know if y'all could tell. When I started pressing on them shits, my steering wheel was shaking. Also, here's some news. I'm going louder with the exhaust. I don't know if y'all, I'm gonna see if I could add like a graph, not a graph, but like a picture. I don't think I could. I'm gonna be too lazy to draw it. But I'm taking my two mufflers out in the back, like the two back ones, the like Flow FX resonators that I have. I mentioned it in a couple videos already, and I'm just getting it straight pipe from the back. So it's gonna be test pipes, just test pipes. So my shit ran out of storage. My phone ran out of storage. So yeah, it stopped recording. But what I was saying was test pipes, a little bit of a straight pipe, the mid muffler from the I forgot the people, Magnaflow. I think the part number is like 11386, that one. And then it's just gonna be straight pipe after the mid muffler. So I'm only just gonna have one fat ass like mid X pipe muffler just right in the middle, and then the rest is just test pipes and straight pipe. But yeah, yeah, that's practically it. It's definitely gonna be louder, it's definitely gonna be more raspier, but I don't know. This is too quiet for me, bro. And to y'all, this was probably loud as hell, but for me, this is quiet, you know? So, yeah. What the fuck, I don't know. I don't know if y'all know, but that downshifting be burning gas. Do not downshift. I'm just doing it for content, but for like y'all daily driving, bro, don't do it unless y'all really want to like do it for y'all own pleasure. But yeah, you're gonna have to move your Honda Fit. But yeah, them downshifts thing, bro, do not do it. Bro, this nigga's going like 25 miles per hour. What are you doing? And it's a 40. And I'm going under 40 right now. Like, are you serious? That's cool, bro. I had to delete CapCut just for the content, man. Y'all better thank me, bro. I lost all my edits. It's like, nah, I'm playing. I didn't lose anything. But, y'all let me know what type of videos y'all really want to see, though, to be honest. Like, I promise you, I do not be knowing what to post. That's my biggest problem with the channel right now. I do not know what to post, like, at all. Like, not even a single bit.